16,000 hijackings happen yearly. That is 44 a day. 83,000 vehicles get stolen, an astounding 227 a day. 1.2 million house break-ins, 71,000 armed business robberies, and 21,000 murders all occur annually. With an increase in violence, not just in South Africa, but all over the world, we searched the globe to develop the world's first and only 600 micron blast and bullet-resistant laminate. A laminate that is effective on various glass surfaces, a product you can trust, but also afford. Here at Schild, we have found the answer. To compare the difference, this car's front window was laminated with the current industry standard. Within seconds, we managed to gain entry using a 1.8 kilogram hammer. Handbags, laptops, wallets, and other valuables are easily accessible after 3 hits. The back window is covered with our own Schild smash and grab laminate. It took several hits before any cracks became visible, and even after finally taking some damage, the film blocks any entry into the vehicle with no trace of penetration. Schild pushed the product by firing shots into a standard 10mm window, the commonly found glass used for buildings and shops. After 3 shots with a 9mm parabellum, the film remained intact. We decided to push it even further by using a high-powered shotgun, and our unique product showed no penetration even after most of the glass was destroyed. We challenged our product on a car's side window with a high-powered shotgun. The pellets lodged in the film but did not penetrate. Finally, we used a 9mm parabellum at a high-powered shotgun on a car's front window with our laminate product. We pushed the limit with several shots. The shotgun pellets were again lodged in the film, and one of the bullets from the 9mm was lodged in the soft plywood behind our product. All its velocity was absorbed by the laminate, and with it, the threat the bullet posed to the car driver. We have installation centers in the Western Cape, Free State, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and Limpopo, and more coming soon to the rest of the country. We've expanded to Namibia and Botswana as well, and will be expanding to the United States, Nigeria, and Australia soon. From protecting your windshield against stone chips to saving your life, let Schild be your silent guard.